February 22nd, I believe. And 2013, Tommy is a little over 2.5 years. And today I am letting him play with the bubbles by himself, which usually I do, but I want to teach him how. Okay, Tommy, show Mommy how to do it. Oh, whoa. Blow the bubbles. Why are you blowing the bubbles? Are you trying to blow them into the heater?
Yeah.
Why?
Yeah, that's why.
Just why?
That's it.
Do you mean just because? That's why? Tommy. Look at those little feet. Oh, gentle. Blow them at Mommy. I want to see you blow the bubbles. You're funny. What happened? You're doing good. I'm proud of you. You're doing a good job. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. See? What did I say? Just dipping. What? Uh-oh. Relax. Okay, I think it's time to get rid of the bulb. George liked the bubbles. Do it again for George. George likes the bubbles.
George.
One more time for George. Ooh, George likes them.
He does.
Tommy, say bye.